Alright guys, how's it going? Me and my dog are out here in the shop. Got my wisdom teeth taken out a few days ago, so I still can't even talk the best, but I actually ended up getting all new bearings. I got those in. I didn't take a video of that, like I said, because when I did them at the time I couldn't even talk, so that was kind of pointless. So just pounding up the old bearings, pressed in the new ones. I just didn't really press them in. Some of them I heated up around it with a torch, and I just went like that. Gave a few taps with a hammer. That's about it. I believe I gotta make sure I have everything all together. Yeah, it took me a while to figure out the transmission, but got it down now, I believe. So pretty much just gotta slap this case on here like that. And we've got all those pieces here, and now I'm finally going to show you what we're doing. Okay, so like I've said before, we got the 55 mil stroker crank. Okay, we got the 60 millimeter, and it's a 143 big bore. TB parts, got everything. Oops. Brand new cylinder and piston. That's awesome. And then we got here's the piston for it. There's the old head, and I went ahead and got the race head this time around. Because I figured, why not? I'm going to build this thing, I'll do it right. And that actually came with some nice covers. I bought it off eBay, so I don't know if these actually come with these covers originally or no. But, so yeah, got all the gaskets, everything to do it. Now it's just a matter of putting everything back together. As you can see here, we got a new pitter right here. Got this one a few days ago also. Halfway got new plastics on it, and a new carb. But what it is, it's got a Lifen 140 engine with it's 1 down, 3 up. I believe it's a 4-speed. Completely manual. It's got a clutch and everything. So at the time, it had the wrong carb on it. I paid $100 for it. My buddy actually bought a bike from the same guy. We went down there, and I bought this one with him. So I had this other Mikuni. This was like one that would go on a big bore KLX. But it's like the same carb on this KLX, I believe, already. So I just went ahead and bought a brand new Mikuni for it. It's a little bit smaller. It starts up and runs and everything. Here, let's see if I can give it a go quick. But the auto cable's all messed up, and I need to either jet the carb or just do a little bit of work to it. But get some gear. It's gonna be hard if I don't give it gas, but I'll just go like this if I can. Yeah, this whole assembly here broke. So and that worked great. Trying to hold the camera, kickstart a bike, and use the throttle with one hand, and somehow it popped itself into gear again. All right, well, it runs. You just have to believe me. Bought these new plastics. Got yellow this time. I've actually never had a yellow one, so I had these on here. Is missing half of them, and they look terrible. So that's all I bought for it. It's actually got really nice suspension that I'm probably, maybe it might not happen, but this suspension might be going on to the KLX for a build video, because this is actually fast A suspension. You can see it right there. So it is some decent forks. I don't know if the back shock is looking good. This might be a little bit better. I don't know if this one's fast ace or not. So yeah. And then the CR is still here. I gotta measure the cylinder and get parts for it now. I honed out the cylinder. So yeah, that's just about it. Now we're gonna throw this motor back together. Alright guys, what is up? I just got the cases together. I'm really hoping we did it right. I was not able to film it because it really was a two-hand job, or a four-hand job, sorry. Four-hand job. But anyways, God. So yeah, we got some lube in there and then we powdered it together. Alright, so I think we got it all together. Silicone's drying.
Dude,
Cranks
what was
in.
with that one freaking kid?
Who?
Travis? You see that?
Oh, yeah. But yeah, the crank works good. And it's rotating. I don't have any of the clutch assembly on yet, but that shouldn't take too much longer. Cases are back together. Once these cases are together, I'll be a lot happier because I don't really know how to...
Who wears pink pants?
Quit talking!
This guy's gay.
So yeah. Jimmy, this doesn't spin too smooth.
That's fine.
It probably needs... Oh, there it is. So it just kind of... Actually, it's hard to tell. I don't know, probably all needs oil and everything, but... Yeah, so I'm gonna get something on there and then we'll get back to you again. Alright guys, it's a lot later at night. What is it, Jimmy, like 11 o'clock or something?
Huh?
What time is it?
11:53.
Alright, and yeah, so we haven't got that much done realistically. I got all this stuff on. I'm checking online now to see if anything goes in there. Everything else is on the other side. Nothing really happened. All I did is slid this here, clutch on, and then this like engaging clutch thing. I don't know what either is it called. And then put those bolts on and torqued them. And got that one on also. Alright guys, so it's been a little bit. It was hard to film putting the rings on and everything, but this is all new here. Got the 143 installed and the race head. I'm doing timing right now. Got everything else left over. Took all the dowels off these. Got the exhaust. It's already got a... I forget what brand exhaust it is. I took the freaking sticker off. I remember it was decent though, so... Yep, trying to get it done. Then I'll have to do the valves. It's like... What time is it now? Like 1?
1:12.
1:12? Oh gosh. We have to go to work at 8 tomorrow. 8 to 12, so... Yep, I'm probably going to call it quits soon, but that's how far we are now.
Pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. I got them vests on my shoes. I'll pop up, put it, I lose. Wait, speed it up. Look at the diamonds, they eat it up.